Before placing the transducers, it is recommended that you inform the patient what to expect from the evaluation. Explain that you're going to place headphones over their ears, and then they will hear a series of beeps or tones. Instruct the patient to respond to the tones even if they are soft or far away by either raising their hand or pressing the patient response switch. When the patient is comfortable with the process, place the headphones over the patient's ear, making sure the headphones are centered over the ear. Make sure the headphone labeled R is over the right ear and the headphone labeled L is over the left ear. The distance between the headband and the earphones can be adjusted up or down depending on the patient. When the transducers are properly placed, testing can begin. For insert phones, examine the ear canal for obstruction or excessive cerumen. Place the tube of the foam ear tip completely onto the sound tube for each earphone. Roll the foam tip in the smallest diameter possible and insert the ear tip well into the ear canal with the red earphone in the right ear and the blue in the left ear.